Hello everyone, my name is Achilles Kumar Prajapati. I am from MP Panna. Today I prepared spicy smoked hurricane. So 60 ml pineapple juice, orange juice 60 ml, noodles Tabasco 60 ml vodka, ice, so this hurricane glass, 090. So cinnamon stick, smoked burn, smoke flavor. Sorry.